When it comes to the modern workspace, having the right tools at your fingertips can be the difference between crushing deadlines and feeling overwhelmed. But what happens when your old computer can't keep up with the demands of your business? Are you stuck with slow performance, lagging behind, and sacrificing precious time? I'm here to tell you that you've hit a wall, but there's a solution that can transform your work experience. Meet the Lenovo IdeaCentre 27, an all-in-one powerhouse that's engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and reliability in a sleek, compact design. At the heart of this machine lies the Intel Core i7-13620H processor, featuring 10 cores, 16 threads, and a whopping 24 megabytes of Intel Smart Cache. With this beast of a processor, you can tackle even the most complex tasks with ease, for financial analysis and video conferencing to office productivity and demanding business workflows. And let's not forget the stunning 27-inch FHD display, boasting a crisp 1920 by 1080 resolution and anti-glare viewing for reduced eye strain during long work sessions. Plus, you get the latest Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and an impressive array of ports, including USB-C, HDMI, and wireless keyboard and mouse for seamless connectivity. But what does using the Lenovo IdeaCentre 27 actually feel like? To me, it's about being in complete control of your workflow. You can juggle multiple tasks simultaneously without a hiccup, thanks to the sheer processing muscle of this machine. Whether you're editing complex spreadsheets, creating stunning presentations, or simply checking emails on the go, every task is performed with lightning-fast speed. So, if you're ready to upgrade your workspace and leave lag behind, take the Lenovo IdeaCentre 27 for a spin. Its robust performance, stunning display, and cutting-edge features make it the perfect solution for professionals who demand more from their technology. Get the power, productivity, and peace of mind you deserve with the Lenovo IdeaCentre 27. It's time to elevate your work experience.